just want to show you a simple fix to an aircon problem that I had on a Toyota Fortuner D4D 2007 model. All that had actually happened was this wire over here had corroded through, which goes from there to this connection. That's the only thing I have to replace. So basically I don't have stove wire, yes, but I've got these that are just going to prevent it from getting hot. I'm going to reconnect that wire on there. I'm pretty sure after that it will work. Because what was actually happening is the light was coming on for the aircon, but it wasn't getting cold. So I thought initially it might be because the battery's a bit low and it's not getting enough amps to kick it over. Check the fuses, still didn't work. So I thought, let me just have a look at the wiring, and then I noticed a corroded wire, and then I saw this wire was off. After checking on my other vehicle, I see, yeah, there's a wire that goes there. So let's have a look and see if it works. Okay, I put the wire on and I plugged it in, and let's see if she's gonna work. These alarms, so sensitive. Okay, yes, the aircon is on and temperature is perfect. I can actually feel it, and it's only been running for a few seconds now. So yeah, that seemed to be the problem, and that was an easy fix. So if you need to fix up your aircon and it's not working, just have a look. It could be quite easily something simple as a little wire that's broken off. Stay tuned for future videos.